Let's learn phrasal verb. Natter on. Phrasal verb. Listen. Phrasal verb, natter on.
Falar sem parar, tagarelar sobre assuntos sem importância, continuar falando por muito tempo, entediando os outros.
Thing of interest, I'll natter on in another direction, but if anybody has anything they'd love to
natter on too terribly long. So first,
She always natters on during meetings about unimportant personal stories every morning. My uncle natters on whenever someone mentions old family vacations together. The neighbor nattered on while everyone politely waited for dinner patiently. Our teacher nattered on despite students checking their watches every minute. He nattered on until everyone quietly left the uncomfortable conversation behind completely. She nattered on about celebrity gossip during the entire lunch break yesterday. They natter on about television shows instead of discussing important issues together. My friends nattered on concerning trivial problems throughout the long bus ride. The children natter on about cartoons before bedtime every single evening together. We nattered on about random topics while waiting for our delayed flight. The guest nattered on although everyone wanted to leave much earlier already. She kept nattering on despite receiving several polite hints to stop talking. My coworker nattered on through lunch without noticing anyone's growing boredom today. They nattered on for hours, ignoring everyone's obvious lack of interest completely. He nattered on until the audience finally applauded, just ending his speech.
Let's learn American slang.
They are real couple goals because they always support each other. They are breaking up after trying to fix their relationship for months. They decided to split up because they wanted different things in life. After years together, they finally called it quits. She has moved on and is happier than ever now. She is not over it even after all this time. He was all over them during the entire party. She is a total catch because she is kind, funny, and intelligent. Everyone thought the new actor was a real dreamboat. She is looking fresh after getting a new haircut. He arrived completely dripped out for the fashion event. Your drip is impressive today with those stylish clothes. Everyone was decked out for the wedding ceremony. She is really rocking it with that confident style. He keeps flexing hard with his expensive watch online. That performance was absolutely cold from start to finish. She stayed stone cold during the intense negotiation. Your presentation was 10 out of 10 today. He freshened up before meeting his clients.